Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with now today I'm going to get only placement review of BMS IT Institute of Technology and Management. So very reputed college, and I will cover last 5 years, placement analysis detailed branch wise and company wise, so that yes, you will know the complete detail about even if you want to take a civil, mechanical, electrical, what are your chances from this college and how much salary you will get, and what is the package which is going on average from this college. So this will cover only placements. I have the second video which is already there on my channel, right, which is more about complete college review. So complete college review has fees, hostels, infrastructure, and every background information you need, right, is the campus life. But this one is specifically only for placements and covers every branch and or last 5 years performance. So let's start. I will not wait now. So before we go into placement, we should understand total number of seats so that you can compare how the students have fared. So ECE and CSE 180 seats and information. So three important branches have the 180 into 3 540 seats, and then mechanical, electrical, and civil, and artificial intelligence. So actually 180 and 180 and another 60 for artificial. So four branches are related with CSE, ISC, artificial intelligence, ECE. So you have a good potential here. Now jumping directly to the placement. So how this is how placement. So last this year now 600 students got placed in this to 2021. And you can compare the placements how it is rising over the years, and the number of companies which are visiting this campus is also increasing from starting with 79 companies. Now it is 120 companies. So the trend is very clear that this college is in fashion, and the number of placements are increasing. So 600 is a very good number. Now coming to the branch wise, the same analysis for last 2017 to 21, that is 5 batches, what has a placement, which has remained. So this is a placement percentage. So placement percentage, you can see CSC, it is going between 90, 1 year it was 100%, but the rest of the year it's 90%. Similarly, information science 2 years 100%. And the placements of other branches like mechanical is a little bit less. You should be cautious of taking that. Mechanical is the lowest placement here. And this is the number. So that was a percentage. This is a number. So mechanical has the lowest percentage. Only 7 students got placed in 2021. So you should be aware that you should not take mechanical here at least. And but other branches, telecommunication is little bit better than this, and it got more placement. Triple E is still better. But ECE, CSE, information science, and those branches are not at all a problem. You can take it. So AIML you don't see here because it was not there for all the years, and now it just started. Now coming to the salaries part. So CTC. So CTC, you see highest CTC from the right side. 2017 batch 19 lakhs, 26 lakhs, then 18 lakhs, then 20 lakhs, and 26. So highest CTC remains around 26 lakhs for 2 years, which is 18 and 2021. But the average CTC is going on increase from 4.66 lakhs to now 6.5 lakhs. So 6.5 lakhs for this year is very good CSA average salary. So you can take this college. This was the 5 years performance. Why I will just now come to only this year, which is the current year 2021. So 6.6 lakhs and 26.5 lakhs is the now the percentage placement for this year, not the previous year. This year, information science 92.86% highest, then computer science 90.76%, then ECE 85%, then TCE telecommunication branch is also good, EE is also good 80. Only mechanical is not good. So except mechanical and civil is also not good, 35% placement. You can take all other branches. Now this is the exact offers, which company, how many people they have taken. So complete analysis. First, this is the first page of that. So you see ECE, Capgemini 36 offers, that is the bulk recruiter. CSC 29 offers from Capgemini. Similarly, ISC 16. So you can see 94 offers are only from Capgemini, 12 are from Altron, and 10 are, and 73 are from Cognizant. So that was also a big number. 73 offers from Cognizant. Coming to the next page, same slides, same branch wise, right? So here you see 10 offers, 10 from Epsilon and 10 from Sankalp. So you got two mass recruiters in the previous page. You can look into that. So otherwise, most of the companies are 8 to 10 people, and out of that also maximum are from CSC related branches, computer related branches. So this is the second page, so you have the company 53. Now going to the third page, right? So here also you see the informative, the highest offer, it looks like from 10 is from Mindtree, another 11 is from Mphasis, and 7 is from Infogain. So these are all IT companies. So you can see in mechanical, civil, other branches, the number of students are low. Only it's a CSE students which are getting placed. So you can take a snapshot of it and look into very detail, where you will get a placement. So in terms of so mechanical and civil is definitely a not or no in this college, so you should not be taking. Similarly, this is the next page. So you see 16 offers from a company called PwC, which is Bangalore based, and so it's a 70 4 offers are there. So 16 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9, so around say 40 offers are from PwC. And you see the paper take people from ICE, ECE, BW, and your CSC. So all 3 branches, but other branches they don't allow to sit. And this is the last page. So this completes 120 companies. Now in this page you see the highest offer is from TCS, NKT, Ninja, and 65 offers are from Wipro. So Wipro is also a bulk recruiter. So total put together you can see 163 in ECE, CSC highest number 236. So except mechanical and civil, you can take other branches. TCE, which is telecommunications, is still okay. You can take EEE, the seats are less and placements is less. Thank you. So hope you have now complete information. So this is the complete placement analysis. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe this channel and like this video and share it as much as possible. And please do visit the previous video in a complete detailed review of this college, which is on my YouTube channel, right? And this was only placement analysis. Hope it has given you fair idea, and please do comment me if you have further questions about any aspect of this college. Thank you. Thanks for watching it, and take care. Bye.